With StormCure's flexible repair adhesive, you can make strong and long-lasting repairs on your favourite wax jacket. First, use some solvent to remove the wax from the area surrounding the rip. In this video, we are using StormCure Glue Cure Accelerator. Leave the repair area to dry. This can take 5 to 10 minutes. Next, make the repair surface as flat and even as possible. Part of a cardboard box is perfect for this. Once this is done, use a piece of fabric to ensure none of the glue will stick the wax layer to the inner lining of the coat. It will make the repair look much better and will make it last longer. Squirt out the required amount of glue onto something else. You will be requiring small amounts of glue, so this makes the next few steps much easier and will make the repair neater. Use a paintbrush or a spatula to paint the glue onto the underside of the wax layer of the coat and the top side of the fabric patch. This doesn't need to be neat as you won't be able to see it. Lightly press the repair together. Make sure the edges are lined up as best as you can for the neatest result. Use a spatula to spread the glue over the top of the repair. You can do multiple layers of this to ensure an extra strong repair. Leave the glue to cure in a dry environment at room temperature for the fastest cure time and best looking result. Once dry, re-wax the jacket as per the coat's re-waxing instructions.